Hello friends! Today we're going to draw Easter Bunny. At the beginning of the video, we'll fast forward to show you how to draw the Easter Bunny roughly. Get your marker and paper ready. Now, let's get started.
First, let's draw two ovals as its eyes. Draw a tiny heart between its two eyes as its nose. And below the nose, draw a little mouse in the shape of a W. Let's add pupils to its eyes. Remember to leave some white space in the pupils. It makes the eyes look more lively. Next, add some eyelashes to the eyes. From the center above the eyes, let's draw two curved lines as the head of the bunny. Next, use a flattened U shape to connect these two lines. Some friends might have noticed already that the face of the bunny we drew resembles a triangle. In real life, indeed, bunnies have this feature. They have small heads but chubby cheeks and chin. Let's add its ears.
Bunnies' ears are super special because they can move them in all directions like little radar dishes. This helps them hear predators sneaking up on them and even helps them stay cool in hot weather. Cool, right?
Now let's add a curved line as its back. Below the hand, we draw its left leg. You can draw a letter C as its foot. Don't forget to add a small tail.
Bunnies use their fluffy tails to communicate with each other and sometimes even to signal their mood. When they're happy or feeling playful, they might wag their tail like a dog, but when they're scared or nervous, they might tuck it close to their body for protection. So their tails are like a furry mood meter.
Next, let's draw the Easter egg. Of course, there are many designs for Easter eggs. You can freely design the pattern you like. On the screen, these are just a few examples. In our family, we often eat fried eggs, scrambled eggs, boiled eggs, and various egg dishes during Easter. This is because the children need many eggshells for painting Easter eggs. What about you?
Hooray! We've done outlining our Easter Bunny. Let's color it in. We also have another video drawing our Easter chick and eggs. Feel free to check it out. Remember to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out any new videos.
Why Easter is often associated with bunnies?
Easter and bunnies go way back. Bunnies are known for their fertility and the arrival of spring, which is when Easter happens. So people started linking bunnies with Easter to celebrate new life and the season of growth and renewal. Plus, bunnies are super cute, so they make Easter even more fun.
Yay! We've done drawing a cute Easter Bunny. We hope you had fun drawing along with us. See you next time. Bye!